Hey guys, welcome back to Cara's Cakes. It's Friday, June 10th, and I wanted to vlog this weekend because my birthday is on Sunday. So I'm going to start the vlog off here. I'll probably post the video on Monday. So I have a busy few days coming up. I thought it would be fun to film. I worked back shift last night, got off at 6 a.m. and now... So I slept from like 6:30 until 10:30, I guess. So I'm up now and I'm going to get some stuff done for today. So I got off at 6. The earliest grocery stores that open is like, I think 7 a.m. So I didn't want to wait around. So I was going to do a grocery pickup for when I woke up. But then I realized that they deliver in my area now. So I got all the baking, things I needed. And they're on the way actually. So it was only $3.99 to get it delivered. So, and I've never done this before, but our area didn't always have delivery and now it does. So I'm kind of excited. I am in my pajamas and I'm gonna go to the door when the man comes because I'm not changing right now. Apparently his name's Joshua. Oh my God, my porch is a mess. Came to the front door. Hi there. Hi, thank you. You could just leave him there. I just don't want to let the dog in. Thank you. You too. Got the groceries. Okay, so they actually came to the front door. These are different bags, but I'll show you what I got. Okay, so I'm curious to see if I got everything because, oh no, okay. Because it seems like a very small order, but we'll see. So I got a liter of whipping cream, a liter of whole milk, a liter of buttermilk. I needed some eggs, so I got a dozen. And I got some sugar, 2 packs of sugar. I thought I was ordering the really big container of cocoa powder, but this is the small one. That's fine, I guess. I don't need more than that, but I asked for the liter of this, but it probably works out better because I do have a little bit left in the fridge for the smaller container. Then I got 2 salted butter and 2 unsalted butter. And then lastly, I got 4 1-kilogram bags of icing sugar. So I think that was everything I ordered. I can go back and double check, but actually fit in these 2 bags, which was nice. So that is everything I needed at the grocery store. I'm going to pop those things in the fridge and then I have to do some dishes. To show you guys this, I made this for Seamus's birthday. His birthday is on July 4th, but I'm doing like a 30-day countdown until his birthday. So every day he like punches one of these and pulls out a number, and then this number corresponds with one of the numbers that's on the gifts. I thought it would be fun. I didn't go crazy with the gifts, but so far he's got a couple t-shirts, a couple gift cards. This was with one of the t-shirts, I think. And then he did get like a pair of rubbery sandals. And, oh, I got a few things for the barbecue at the dollar store. And that's what he got yesterday, I think. So when I see him when he gets home later, he'll probably punch another hole and then pick another gift. So it's like an advent calendar for your birthday. I thought it was kind of fun. Okay, so I'm back and showered and ready to start baking. Don't mind my hair, it's wet and in braids, but this is how it needs to be. I found the last few weeks when I have been baking, I haven't been filming when I'm baking because I like to watch shows and stuff while I'm baking. So like, I don't have a laptop that works right now. Seamus does, but it's like his work laptop. So I have a iMac like desktop and it's hard. Like I'm sure I could bring it into the kitchen to watch shows, which would probably be really fun, but I just don't want to lug it back and forth. So I normally just set up my like tripod and watch a show instead of filming. But we have this really old iPad. Okay, I thought I forgot the password for a second. We have this really old iPad that I found downstairs. It has a big crack in it, but it actually still works. It's not like the best, it's not the fastest thing. So normally I set my tripod up and watch shows on my phone, but I'm gonna film for you. So I found this little decorative like stand. It's not meant for an iPad, but I'm going to use that and set up my iPad so I can watch something and still film for you guys. So I'm gonna set up my phone. I have to delete a few things on my phone because it's saying I don't have enough storage, and then I'm gonna start baking. I have to bake chocolate cake and vanilla cupcakes. My niece's birthday is this weekend. So her party was supposed to be last Sunday, but it got rescheduled because she wasn't feeling good. She was a little sick. So now it's this Sunday, and I get to share my birthday with her, which is really nice. When she was born, actually, I thought she was going to be born on my birthday, and I was so excited. And so my birthday is the 12th of June, and she was born at like 1:30 a.m. or something like that, very close after midnight. On the 13th of June. So her birthday is actually on Monday, but we still kind of share a birthday because we're really close. So her birthday party is on Sunday morning. She's having a bouncy castle and stuff, so I'll try to film a little bit of that. And then we're having supper at my mom's on Sunday. So yeah, so I'm making her cake. I think her theme is like pastel unicorns, so that's fun. So I'm gonna do like pink and purple and pastel colors. All right, let's get baking. Okay, so all of my chocolate stuff is out. I have my 2 dozen cupcakes and my 6-inch cake here. And then I have some more vanilla cupcakes in my ovens. And then after that's done, I'm finished for the day. So I have a timer set for those. And all I'm gonna do now is clean up this big mess. All right. Okay, so it's a bit later. I finished baking the cupcakes and cakes that I have. I have my chocolate cake out for tomorrow, and these cupcakes, I'm gonna decorate them tomorrow for my niece's birthday on Sunday. And I took a little nap, and now I'm just getting ready. It's 5 after 5, and I have to leave here at 5:30 to go to work. So I'm just gonna gather a few things here in the fridge that I'm gonna take for my lunch tonight. So I'm gonna pop this in my lunch bag, fill up my water, and that's it. And I'm gonna head to work. Hey guys, it's Saturday, June 11th. I woke up at around lunchtime because I worked back shift last night. I have been up for a little while, took some buttercream out of the freezer that I had. Just getting the house and the kitchen ready for decorating a cake. My niece's birthday party is tomorrow, so I'm making her cake. The theme is like pastel unicorn, and she decided she wants chocolate cake. She's wanted chocolate cake for all of her birthday cakes. And then I found these, I don't know if I'm gonna use them, but I found these unicorn chippets. They're just pink and yellow. They're just pink and yellow chippets, I think. So I'm gonna open those and have a look to make sure they're the right color. And I also had some of these lollipops left over. I know they're not pastel, but I thought they'd be cute sticking in the top. I'll just bring those along. I have these sprinkles from Sweet Apolita. They're like pastel colors. And then these triangle shaped ones too. I have some silver leaf, and these ones are pastel-y with silver. I thought it was nice. And these are actually little unicorns, so I might use some of those. And then I just pulled out these silver sparkly sprinkles and a little bit of this that I had left from another order. I have these colors laid out. I might use as like a gradient up the cake. So I don't know if I'm going to use green too or not, but for now I'm going to do a pastel yellow, blue, purple, and pink up the side of the cake. And then I'm going to use this confetti candy melt for a drip down the side of the cake. I've never used this for a drip before, but we're going to try it out. Okay guys, so it's much later. I finished the cupcakes and the cake for Olivia. I'll insert the pictures here. And Seamus and I went out for Boston Pizza. No, we went out to had Montana's, and now we're at the drive-in movie theater. We got here extra early and got really good spots right up front. And Jurassic Park is playing, so I'll probably watch the full movie, and Seamus will be asleep in 10 minutes, and then we'll go home. Hey guys, it's Sunday and today's my birthday. I'm also sharing it with my niece Olivia, so we're headed over to the hall now for her birthday party. It's at 11 and I'm running a little bit late. I said I'd be there early. It's quarter to 11 and I was planning on being there at 10:30, but that's okay. We'll be there before everybody gets there. I don't know if you could hear me over all that air condition, but I have the cake down here on the floor and the cupcakes in the back behind my seat, and I brought my camera to take some pictures. Yeah, I think it's from 11 till 1, and then I'll probably go take Chippy out, and then later on today we're going over to my mom's for my birthday supper. When we got home from the drive-in last night, there was flamingos on our lawn. I don't know if it's a thing where you guys live, but when people turn whatever age, normally it's for older people, but when you turn like 50 or 60 or 70 or whatever, people rent flamingos and stick them in your lawn. So my mom did that for me. I didn't know who it was. It took me a while to figure it out, but she put 30 flamingos on our lawn and then balloons on the step. She didn't put the balloons inside because she thought that they would spook Chip, which was nice of her because they did spook Chip when I took them inside. Yeah, so that was really nice. I was surprised by that. Love a good surprise. Okay guys, so it's Monday, June 13th. I don't think I filmed much yesterday. So yesterday we went to my niece's birthday party, which was at like 11 until 1, and then we helped clean up. We came back home. What else happened? Okay, so then Seamus gave me my birthday present, and he got me Apple AirPod Pro. I'm not sure what they're called, but I'll insert the picture here. And I literally put them in my ears right away and danced around the house and cleaned. I should have went to the gym with that energy, but anyways, I cleaned the house, and then we went to my mom's for my birthday supper, and then I helped mom clean up, and then after we came home, I sent Olivia's birthday party pictures to my brother and his wife, and then what did I do? And then I didn't do much else, and I went to bed. And then this morning I woke up, took Chip for a walk, and went to the gym, and then when I came home, I got in the shower. And then my sister and I went and delivered some wedding invitations. I chose to deliver most of them. I think I mailed 7 of them. And then I delivered most of them by hand because most of them live around where I live. So I still have a bit to deliver, but I don't know where they live, and Seamus does, so we'll have to go together and deliver the last few. I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I don't have much to film the next couple days. I do have a couple orders due on Father's Day. One of them is Father's Day related, and the other one is a birthday order. So I'll have that to do next week. And then I have a lot of wedding stuff going on. Mom and I are going to Halifax in the next few days, so I might film that. But I'm gonna try to do some more vlogging and try to start uploading more consistently again. It's really hard when I work like the 4 days closer to Sunday, or if I have anything going on my days off, which I normally do now, and it's just hard to find the time to edit. But I know yesterday was Sunday, but I'm gonna try to edit this and get it up maybe tonight or tomorrow, and it'll just be late. So normally I try to upload on Sundays, but we might just start uploading once a week whenever I can. Yeah, so if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. And if you like the wedding related stuff, I might try to make some more videos with that. But I will be doing cupcakes and cakesicles next week, so stay tuned for that as well.